Hello everyone, this is Rutik and it's our day 54 of Finding Job series. And first of all, I'm sorry for low energy because from morning I'm working on one project and yeah, it was very tiring. I didn't take any sort of a break and all. So at the end, I feel very tired. But yeah, actually it doesn't matter what I did, how much work I did. The only things that matter is discipline and I am doing my task consistently or not. That is the thing, that is the matter. So yeah, the learning is necessary, problem solving is necessary, DSA is necessary, project is necessary, everything is necessary. So let's start our today's day. As usual, I woke up at 7. After that, I did some exercise, got ready and sat at my desk. As usual, I started with the course started with the fundamentals learning, and today I learned the concept called CORS. CORS, cross origin resource sharing. First of all, let's start with the beginning, why it's needed and etc etc. So we all know, when we create any website or we have any sort of a website, and let's take an example. I'm logging to my bank account from my bank website, and I have my bank details there, okay? And any other website comes and it asks for that details. So yeah, the obvious answer should be no. I don't want to share my details to some extra websites, okay? So that's why browser introduced SOP, means same origin policy. If the website has a same origin, then I give to the that info. Like for in Instagram ask for the user, so I only give Instagram user, that sort of. I didn't give the means Gmail account data to the Instagram if Instagram ask for the Gmail info. So I didn't provide that. So that was the same origin policy. And after that, we know, if I have a website and I want to hit any API request, so I have one website and in which I want weather data, so I hit the weather API request, and it is the different API request or a different domain, we can say. And how these things are managed, because due to the same origin policy, it should be the blocked by browser and it's not get proceed, okay? But for handling those case, CORS, which is course, comes in a picture. So when we hit any request to the server, browser send that request to the server, and when server gives the data, server say, is it come from the same origin? Browser say, if it is yes, then it response should travel to the back, and if it is no, then it's blocked. So that asking that it is come from the same origin or not, that asking is provided by the course. So we can say course is not provided by the server, it's enforced by the browser. We have some headers. Course is nothing but headers which we pass from the to the API request, like that. It is not any extra concept or extra dependency like sort of a thing. It is just a headers passed by the browser. That's why, and from this we can understand that this API will provided by the same website or same origin. If it is yes, then provide the response. If it is no, then don't provide the response. That's it about the course. And after that, I move on to the next part, which is a DSA, where I learn about the backtracking. So it was very amazing concept, because I feel the code was very easy, but the conceptual understanding was a little bit tricky. So I am solving the problems like the permutation, combination, superset, etc., etc. So yeah, it was fascinating for me. I solved the lots of problems. After that, I had my lunch, and while doing this, actually I am doing the project task as well. So I am building the one project called the permit checklist, like a permit checklist of the building. So I am working on it using the AI. So I am a vibe coder now. So after that, I had my lunch, and I take actually I went for the 20 minutes walk, and after that I again resume my work. I completed not I didn't complete the part, but I complete the basic user flow, or we can say like the basic POC. uh, I completed it. And yeah, after that, while doing this, also I solved coding problems like the Fibonacci's, factorials, sums, which is using the recursion. So I solve the problems around recursion. After that, yeah, I move on to the job application part. Actually, I didn't apply any sort of jobs. Actually, I applied jobs in morning, and again I check in the evening for 5 to 10 minutes. That's why I feel very guilty. But yeah, applied jobs, and did little bit communication practice with ChatGPT as well. I am not able to give 30 to 45 minutes today because I am occupied with lots of work. But yeah, that's why maybe I feel guilty. But yeah, it is what it is. We need to prioritize our time according to the task, but we have to do our daily task as well. So that's it for today, nothing else. Till then, let's meet tomorrow once again. Bye bye. So